Why did it run out? Come on. Oh, yes. Give me the fists. Oh, these guys are friendly. Shit. I just punched him. I have to kill these guys, but these guys are friendly. Nice. Unless you attack them first. Current. Anything else here? No? Oh, wait, there's a bomb. Yay. We'll head to the dome. The Nitro Dome. Everybody. Is it the boss? Ew! I just killed the boss in one hit, let's go! Take this and I'm a whoop! Get the heck out of here! I just killed the boss by just running him over. I'm out of here. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's awesome. It's the first time I ever killed the Nitro. This. And I'm getting out of here. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Ow. There we go. Oh, oops. Oh, this gives me infinite ammo. Nice. Oh, this is definitely a keeper. I get infinite ammo with this. I don't have to worry about it. And increased weapon damage, too. Sweet. I remember this place Alex and I hid here, and somehow we survived. Somehow that... Get out of here, giant chicken. Got him. Gotta keep this Nuka-Cola in case... Where's my car? How did it get all the way over there? Oh, that guy's gonna be like, what the hell is this car doing here? Uh-huh. Now I go and finish him. Oh! There we go. Yes, better shotty. Also be appreciated. Oh, shit. How did I miss that first shot? How did I miss that first... Oh, my God. Well, now I can't play until Alex gets back. Great. Mm-hmm. Fire scale, what is this? As Megalodon's Lego style coupe looks so goofy. Nitro boom. That is a sick glider. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me knowledge I desire. Not right now, hold on. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave, and when Alex gets back, I'll fight him again. Sorry, Alex, but I can't. I just gotta play. You give me fire, give me that which I desire. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Go again. Welcome back. Let's just see how this goes. Hot drop on through the beachhead. So many people. Oh my god. Okay. What's this? Give me these. I'm out of here. I got what I wanted. I'm out. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I got my fists. Even if there ain't the mythic ones, I'm out of here. So wait. Oh, it was punch him. Maybe I can go in later. Oh, yeah, Medallion Man's still there. Loot up and ambush him, like everyone always does to me. Where's that bacteria? Something tells you that's him. Thanks for letting me in.
Yo, Mayu,
Yes,
why you look so stressed?
the game, of course.
Why? What's going on?
I can't win. I'm trying.
You have no solo wins yet?
But yeah, season one.
How long has this season been out for?
Yesterday.
Oh my god, you still don't have a win? That's not bad.
I'm currently with this dude who has a medallion that I want. Yeah. I'm gonna take the loot. Hopefully he doesn't kill me. You lied. Dang it. I can punch it. Even after I helped him. Alex is still AFK. Face me! Head to the store. You know what it was.
Instead of driving myself even more insane trying to solve it, I figured I'd take a note out of Syringian's book and try a more sweet. We just got ourselves a brand new store. Time for me to do the insanity that is. However, let's be honest with ourselves. Each time we rescue this thing, all bets are off in the Lord Park. There are some small underlying narratives, but despite the game giving us notes, and more characters that try to kill us, then help us, then try to kill us again, it's impossible to predict where the story is going. I would be surprised if Fortnite doesn't know where it's going at this point, so it's time to solve the board.
Why can't they mental up shit? Why does it always be? And why does my sprint always run out the worst time?
Entire premise that has been largely left ignored. Gibanium, the green goo that has helped bring all of these mascots to life in the first place. Despite how important its mere existence is to all the events that have happened in this world, we still don't really know a whole bunch about what it really is. In this latest game, Syringian, the new red character with multiple arms and surgical tools, he seems to know a lot about Gibanium. And we get a lot of notes telling us that he's worked with the stuff, but he's also keeping his cards close to his chest, telling us that he can't say anything because that information is classified. And I'd understand why. Givanium is apparently an element, a genome, artificial blood, and
Why?
don't be surprised
Oh no.
that the reason it's so tight-knit, metaphorically anyway, is because there just isn't an answer. It's a classic Deus Ex Machina, able to do whatever the
I no, I don't. I just said no. I do.
Of substances that exist right now to take this from science fiction to science. And with us now having Syringian being a man or thing of science, I think it would be great if you weren't just spouting complete nonsense the entire time. So, consider this my gift to you, euphoric brothers. In honor of my first Bam Theory as host, whip out those copies of Ban Biology, because it's time to figure out what Gibanium is really made of. The most obvious thing I can think of that gives us any kind of clue as to what this stuff is supposed to be is its name. Gibanium having that ium at the end immediately reminds me of the elements from the periodic table. In fact, 79 of the 118 currently discovered elements have a name that ends in ium, so it would fit right in. The logo for Gibanium also seems to align with this. We see it plastered all around the facility, and it looks like it would belong alongside the likes of Mycnerium and Praesiodimium. These details seem to suggest that a Gibanium is simply a newly discovered element, but there's one problem with that notion. As you may be aware, elements of the...
What? Hi. Good. Huh? Good. Huh? You too. Yeah, I do. Not sure. Yeah. Or 5:30, because I might have to clean up. Alright. Next.
Stressed with Fortnite. Yeah, he hasn't got it at the week yet.
That's an AI, that's why.
That's it.
AI! Yeah. Can I have some? Look, check out this. Look how fast you go.
That's me really close to you. Okay? Come
Aww. Love you. Thank you, Pops.
Periodic table are placed at random. They're arranged by their atomic number, which is the number of protons they have around their nucleus. Hydrogen has one proton, therefore it has an atomic number of 1 and is listed first in the periodic table. But take another look at the periodic image for titanium, you'll see it has an atomic number of 6. I don't think to tell you that it's not possible to have an infinite proton. An element has to have a set amount of them to be an element. Infinite is just a never-ending amount, and even if it were possible, incredibly unstable. You see this with any element beyond element 98. California. All of these elements have too many protons to be stable, and so they can't actually be in nature. They can only be created artificially in the lab. And when they do, these elements only exist for brief amounts of time. Organosity, the largest element we have with 180 protons, has a half-life of just 7/10 of a millisecond. That's around 18.5 times faster than your brain can even process visual information. After that, it breaks down into lighter elements, which are more stable. So even if Divanium was meant to be some super heavy element, it is highly unlikely that it could ever be created in large enough quantities or exist long enough to ever have a barrel of the stuff. Instead, I think the name Divanium is more of a red herring. Or more accurately, it's just dubious marketing. Brands have the "ium" suffix to their products all the time to make them sound more scientific. The same thing goes for the infinity symbol. It's supposed to make things feel more cool and futuristic. I mean, just look at Facebook's rebrand to Meta. That's what I think we're seeing. In one of the notes, we see that Divanium is being shipped in from another location, quote, down south. So this isn't something they're making at the kindergarten, but instead they're buying it in from a supplier that is using clever branding to promote their products. This actually makes figuring out the whole thing a heck of a lot easier, because now the only information we have to tackle is what we learn from the scientific case update reports that we find throughout the game. Besides listing their name, case number, and lore about the characters, each of these mascot reports lists one very specific detail, their genome. A genome is just another name for a creature's entire genetic code, basically their whole string of DNA. Each of us gets one gene. That's what makes us unique. My genome is going to be different from your genome, but each of us just has the one. So the fact that there were multiple genomes listed, including Givanium, immediately got me worried that we'd hit another roadblock. You just can't really have two full genomes at once. But I think few Fortnite were actually on the right track. In one of Stinger Bliz's entries, they talk about mixing Givanium with the other genomes, which sounds to me like they're creating one genome out of the parts, or DNA, from multiple genomes. And so that got me thinking about a little scientific discovery known as the CRISPR-Cas complex. CRISPR is an absolute game changer when it comes to the future of genetic research. Originally discovered as part of the defense system in certain species of bacteria, you can think of CRISPR as the world's first genetic find and replace tool. Scientists who want to edit, say, the gene of eye color synthesize a small segment of DNA that matches the gene they wish to edit. This snippet of DNA is then attached to the CRISPR-Cas9. This complex can then be inserted into the DNA of a person, and CRISPR will go and cut out the DNA only at the place in the genome that matches the snippet. From here, scientists can add in new DNA, like the gene of a different eye color, and voila, you've functionally edited the genome of one person with the DNA from a different person. And it doesn't just work within one species either. There have been experiments introducing human genes into pigs to make their organs more suitable for transplant. And there's a study going on right now to see if introducing elephant genes to humans can stop the development of cancerous tumors. Basically, with the help of CRISPR, we can essentially add any gene we want into any genome we'd like. It's truly insane stuff, which seems fitting given how insane the lore of this franchise is. But there's a cherry on top of all of this. CRISPR is obviously really small. So in order for scientists to better monitor where the DNA they've added has gone, they'll often attach a special protein to the CRISPR mix called GFP, or protein rich.
Are you okay? Don't get so mad. You're gonna win. Relax. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's still not on. Alex is still AFK.
Side effects, and it turns out we also see those in the game. One of the things that scientists are most worried about when it comes to CRISPR is the potential that this cutting process may cut in place and lead to serious mutations, something that we see time and time again to characters like Appealer Bird, Nab Nab, and Bam Bam when they are exposed to excess Drivanium. There's also concerns that modifying one gene could affect the genes in unforeseen ways, which is probably why the game makes it quite clear that adding more than 3 genomes together is a big no-no, leading to a phenomenon known as a genome flood, where the mascot will essentially reject the other DNA and revert back to a single undefined gene. And finally, there's a chance that the body's immune system will fight and reject whatever DNA you're trying to put in. We see this all the time with organ and blood transplants, but the same thing is found with CRISPR because it's essentially bacteria. So not only might the body be fighting foreign DNA, but also the bacteria that it's not used to, leading to the foreign substance getting attacked by the body and causing immense amounts of pain, just like we hear in cases. However, CRISPR can only be half the story. CRISPR explains Drivanium's color, side effects, and its ability to combine with genes from other donors, but CRISPR doesn't have DNA of its own. For Drivanium to be considered a genome, as the game puts it, it would need its own set of DNA to splice itself in with whatever human or jellyfish DNA the scientists would choose. So, we need to figure out what culture the Drivanium DNA is actually coming from. The problem is, there are literally millions of possible species on this planet, so narrowing it down to just one seems like it would be like trying to find crayon in the world's largest kidney. Fortunately, the game does give us a couple of clues to work with. In the case
I
of
stole your car.
Get this line about the functions of Drivanium. The case mentioned in the previous report has moved it on as if its artificial nervous system worked for a split second. As predicted, GD seems to provide identical functions to blood. It also had a strange physical effect. GD appears to expand in size when it's set to flow, and as a result, it uses grown a number of veins across its body. So, not only is Drivanium supposedly carrying out the role of blood in these mascots, it's also able to create more complicated body structures like artificial veins and nervous systems. CRISPR can do many things, but act like blood or create veins or nervous tissue.
And he's
But you know what? Stem cells. Our bodies are made up of lots of different kinds of cells. Brain cells, heart cells, colon cells.
He's a
Each one
fist.
programmed to carry out a specific body. But not all cells are so special. When you're first conceived, your body is made up of a unique kind of cell known as stem cells. Stem cells are essentially cells that don't know what they want to be when they grow up. They might become a heart cell or a brain neuron, only time will tell. Unfortunately, by the time you're born, the vast majority of your stem cells will have differentiated into all the different cell types that make up your body. However, we aren't looking for humans as our Drivanium donors. On the case reports, Drivanium is listed as a separate genome from humans, and in the update report, it says mammalian circulatory systems are ineffective. Now, technically, mammalian isn't a word, but I think I get where they're coming from. Basically, it cannot be a mammal-based circulatory system. So Drivanium is not only not human, but also mammal. So, what does that leave us with? We need a specimen that is not a mammal with the ability to create stem cells throughout its life cycle that can be turned into whatever body part is necessary. Should be simple, right? Well, as it turns out, there's a lot of wacky creatures in this world, and some of them have the ability to grow any body part they want when it's been damaged or even cut off. Many species of lizards regrow their tails. Axolotls have been known to regrow their heart muscles, spinal cords, and whole other limbs. But there is one creature that knocks all of them out of the water, a goofy-looking flatworm known as the planarian. When it comes to regenerational prowess, no one beats the planarian. This thing is generating stem cells indefinitely, able to create skin, vein-like structures, nerves, to the point that if you cut a planaria in half, not only does the head regrow its missing tail, but the newly severed tail will grow an entirely new head. No wonder all these characters in Garden of Banban seem to just spring back to life after being severely injured. They just need a breather to regrow and repair all the damaged bits. Not only that, but studies have shown that this newly grown head, for some reason, is able to retain and pass on memories from its previous head. If the memory gene from the planaria is being spliced into the human genome to put into these mascots, it could explain why, for some reason, these mascots have memories about the lives of their human genome donors, such as their name and occupation. Planaria don't have traditional circulatory systems. Instead, they have what appear to be veins, but it's really their digestive system, and it does pretty much the same thing a circulatory system does for mammals. It transports nutrients throughout the body. So that's a big old tick for the non-mammal circulatory system thing. And speaking of nutrients, what is the one thing we know that Ban Ban lives needs?
So liver, so intestine, so hopefully
And you'll never guess what planarians feed dead and decaying materials and organs, including liver and, yes, pancreas. Despite the fact that according to some studies, it is proven to offer very little nutritional value to them. Maybe Ban Ban should just stick to the vegetables.
the rest of the vegetables has to be collected and eaten.
We can't just say Gibanium was planarian DNA and call it. Hey, no sirree. The other genomes listed on the case reports was the full scientific names of specific species. So, what planarian is Gibanium from exactly? Thankfully, there's one detail that helps narrow it down. There's a note that tells us that Gibanium comes from, quote, our friends down south. And based on the plane ticket telling us the closest airport is Montreal, Canada, it feels pretty conclusive that our friends down south are somewhere in the United States. And while planaria aren't native to the United States, there are a handful of species that are managed to migrate their way to the shores. One of them doesn't just do everything we've already talked about, but it also looks suspiciously like our new friends like Treya Syringia. Let me introduce you all to the shovel-headed garden worm, or as it's technically called, Medalion Win. Yeah, Syringia's head isn't an accident. According to Syringian's case reports, he's made up of only two genomes, human and Gibanium. But much like how Stinger Flint's form is based on his jellyfish DNA, Syringian seems to be based more on his Gibanium or Hypalium side rather than his human one. And with this being the specific species for Gibanium, Hypalium coenz is known for secreting a neurotoxin that can be dangerous to humans and pets. That toxin isn't mixing well with the mascot's human and animal parts. But with that, it feels like we found ourselves the source of Gibanium planarians, specifically Hypalium coenz, a non-mammalian creature from the United States with extraordinary regenerative abilities, able to rebuild their vein-like digestive system and nervous system. Then just mix it in with CRISPR-Cas9 and a little green protein, and you too can create these unholy abominations in your own image. There's just one tiny detail that I mentioned right at the start of this video that I've yet to address. I had this entire theory written out, ready to go before Ban Ban 7 dropped, and so, of course, they had to throw one final curveball at me. Gibanium explodes. Why? Why would you do this to me? We were this close to a clean run. It's okay. It's fine. It is. Erase. The reason this is initially such a problem is that DNA isn't explosive or flammable. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Researchers have found that DNA is a great flame retardant substance and are experimenting with coating highly flammable materials like cotton with it. However, what if it's not the DNA exploding, but the barrel the Gibanium is stored in? Take a look at the explosion. It's not a fiery explosion like the others we've seen in the games before. There's an immediate flash with some sparks, then there's just a puff of white smoke. That looks less like the burning of a flammable substance like plain fuel, and instead more like when a pressure cooker explodes. Why would that be the case here? Well, as we've discussed, Gibanium
Oh my god! Fuck, why today? Sorry. Wow, this thing. This camera going. Ah shit, never mind. Oh. No, that's enough. Get you. Get you this. I just want to. Thanks, bro. Oh, there's the train. What today? Come on, fight me. Got two medallions from that. This is insane, ass me. This and this. I'm expected to be hunted thanks to my two medallions. Limited night shift, infinite enemies. Stay in the party. After how long now it's smoking. What the hell are those icons? So. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, crap. Why did I do that? Why I did that? Why I did that? Even I don't know. Now, man, so just make my voice box big. No, dude, so just make my voice box big. Yes. God help me. Oh, even if it means you get stuck. Oh, hell no. Y'all better take it. No, man, it's like just make my voice box big. Even if it means we're moving straight. Even if it means it's me getting straight. Even if it means it's me getting straight. Y'all get butt naked. Y'all get butt naked. Don't drown. Want you gone. Hey, a douchebag. Okay. Let's land. The field of that big take the last. But it's so good. Heated as well. It's sweats again. Oh, I got. I could take it. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. What? Okay. Okay. Lights on me up. Staying in Carl game. Oh, now. As long as that guy leaves me alone. Oh, there you are. I was waiting for a while. Okay. Well, I'm in a game right now, and I had to leave the party so that way I could play. Sorry. All right. I don't think so yet, because I'm gonna be concentrating on this. But it's 9 people right now, and I have 2 medallions. So I'm basically staying in this modified Carl game, because that way it'll be easier. Hold on. I think I can invite you. What? Like, shoot, what? I think you can. Are you able to spectate me? I'm on 8 people right now. I'm on 8 people right now. And everyone's just basically in their cars. Yeah. I have 2 medallions, and I have 3 mythics. There's only 3, so me having 2 is a big deal. So that's why I'm kind of staying in my Carl game, because I have a turret here that I can use. Yep. You see this? This is your average game right now. It's your average game of Season 3 Fortnite. Everyone's just in their car. Yeah, I remember that. That was fun. Yeah. Yeah, that was sick. I'm kind of just staying on the outskirts and just like using any cactus healing slurp trucks that I can use. I'm only missing one because another guy has it. So I have like the fists, a mythic boombo, and also the mythic combat shotgun. So it's actually pretty OP. And guess what? One of the medallions gives me infinite ammo. Yeah. It's the one from the Nitro Dome that gives you infinite ammo. Are you spectating? Yeah. Everyone's just in their car. I'm not even think it's gonna be a heal off. Probably not. I mean, I have a med kit, and also, but it's only 1, and yeah. Oh god, no! I'm not letting that guy in my car. Ah! No! 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 Honestly, if the whole game was like this, it would be sick. Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh lord. Insta kill? Oh! Oh, that is not good. 137. Yeah. No! Crap. Okay, I gotta jump out. Nope! Oh, Lord, this is not gonna be good. I have no car. Last medallion! I have all the mythics, too. I think. Oh, my... I'm against 2 people in cars, and I just have all the mythics and medallions. Oh, Lord. Can I kill this dude's car? He's kind of annoying. Oh, crap. Why are you going for me? Go for the dude in the car. Oh, Lord. Break his car. Trying to break his car. Break the car. Alright, no, it's... Just use the fist. Yes! He's in storm! Let's go! Let's go! P-Man wins the game with all medallions and mythics.